everyone, it's Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I get my long-lasting curls. So when I curl my hair, I kind of have a different technique that I've been like playing around with for a while now, like a few weeks I would say, and I've been loving how the curls have turned out. They last me literally all day and into the next day, and they're more of like a beachy wave curl, but they're still kind of structured, if that makes sense. So I've been using this technique for a while because I like how it looks on my hair, and I just think it's something different to change up my everyday kind of like basic curling hair routine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I get that look. So for starters, all I use is a Conair 1 1/4 inch curling iron. I will link the same one or a similar one down below. You can use the hot tools. This is what I've grabbed out of my little bathroom area of hair stuff. And then you're also just going to need some clips to section off your hair if you have really thick hair. If you don't, then you don't have to worry about that. And I'm also going to be using my wet brush. Now if you have a wide tooth comb, that's even better, but I don't have one because I don't know where it went, so this is going to work for the time being. I'm also going to be using this Tresemme hairspray. This is the Ultra Fine Mist. This is my favorite one. I like fine mist hairsprays because then I'll be able to like brush it out. So what I'm doing is starting off with my hair. I did wash my hair and give myself a blowout. I would wear my hair like this normally, but I am just filming a ton of videos today, so I'm giving you guys this hair routine. I really like my hair as a blowout look. I think it looks super nice. If you guys want to know how I do my blowout, I do have a video where I did the Revlon styler, and that's how I do my at-home blowout. So if you guys want to see that video, I'll have it annotated up here and linked in the description box below. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is brush out my hair with my wet brush. I've been filming a ton of videos today, so if I look the same in like 5 or 6 videos, it's because I am filming a ton. Okay, so everything is brushed out. I'm just going to kind of part my hair wherever it naturally falls. Then I'm going to take from the top of my ears and section off this section. Now, like I said, if you guys don't have really thick hair, you won't have to do all these sectioning pieces, but my hair is pretty thick, so that's what we're going to do. Next, I'm just going to divide my hair into 2 sections, and I'm going to start curling. So your heat setting could be however you want. I usually have mine anywhere between 360 and 400 degrees just because my hair is super coarse, so I have to have a higher heat setting. But if you have a lower heat, if you have thinner or fine hair, definitely lower that heat setting. You don't need it to be that high. And also make sure that you use a heat protectant. I already have a heat protectant in from when I blew dry my hair this morning, so we're all good to go. So I'm going to start by taking different size sections. So usually I'll take a section, start off about this big, and I'm just going to run my curling iron through it. And I'm just going to take my hair and I'm just going to normally curl it how I always do. I leave a little bit of the ends out because I kind of like that look. I hold it for about, I don't know, 6 to 10 seconds, and then I'm just going to pull down. I'm not releasing any clamp, and I'm just going to take my hair. The bottom, as you can see, is still in there. I'm just going to take it and twist it for like 5 times, and then I'm just going to slide off at the bottom. And then you're going to get something that looks like this. It's all twisted up. It looks weird, but we're just going to leave it and throw it to the back. Don't touch it, just leave it how it is. So again, I'm going to take just a random section. You can make pieces smaller or thicker, just however you want them to be. Again, I'm just going to go up at the root first, how I normally curl my hair, and then I'm just going to leave some of the end out. Not a lot, but just a little bit. I think that kind of helps keep that more like that straight end look, which is really what you want with a beachy wave. So again, I'm in the curl and I'm just holding it. I'm not releasing the clamp. And I'm just going to twist 3, 4, 5. I twist it 5 times, and then I just peel this off like that. And then you're going to get something that looks like this, and you just want to leave it. Don't play with it. Just leave it, push it to the back, and just go on with your business. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. Twist. That one I kind of went a little farther down, but that's okay. And twist it and let the ends go. Okay. One more piece up here. As I get to the sections of my hair that have layers, it does get a little bit trickier when twisting, just because all of the hair is kind of just like going all over the place, but it's okay, it still works. So we're gonna leave this on a little bit longer. 3, 4, 5. Again, I'm not pushing on the clamp at all, I'm just releasing. And we're gonna twist. 4, 5, and then I'm gonna let the ends down like that. And as you can see, some of the layer pieces are coming out, but that's okay. So I'm just going to leave this how this is. I'm just going to throw it to the back. I'm going to do the same process on the other side. So all I'm doing is taking it how I normally would curl my hair, leaving some of the ends out, about 6 to 10 seconds. Just let it go. 1, 3, 4, 5, and drag it down and just leave it and then throw it to the back. I really like this because it gives me that beachy wave look that I like, but also keeps my curls lasting all day. And basically, like, what we're doing is setting it while we're wrapping this so that it stays all day. And it really does stay, like, it lasts all day. And you guys know I have thick hair. What I like to do is kind of change up the thickness and the size of pieces that I use, because that will give you more of like that beachy tousled look. So I'm going to go ahead and do this all throughout my hair, and then I will just kind of show you the thing that I do once it's all curled. Are curled, what I let it do is I let it cool off. So now it's all cooled. I'm going to take my wet brush or your wide tooth comb, which I prefer, and I'm just going to take my hair, hold it up a little bit, and I'm just going to start brushing out these curls. I know it's like, why would I brush my hair that I just curled? But trust me, look at the wave that you get. Same thing on this side. I just kind of hold it and, ooh, I have knots. I just brush it through like that. Now, as you can see, some pieces curl better than others, some give a wave better than others. So like up here, we're gonna have to fix this little section here just because it looks a little weird. But literally that's all I do, and I just make sure that I brush out the sections really good so that we don't have any of those tight curls that we did. Okay. All I'm gonna do is take my Fine Mist hairspray, and I'm just going to flip my hair, spray, do the same thing on this side, spray, spray everything around, and kind of let it fall where it wants to fall. And that is the final look. So that is how I've been getting these like really big beachy curl waves. I really like how this looks. It's very voluminous. It's very like just kind of like refreshing and like spring and summer vibes to me. I don't know, I really love how my hair looks like this. So yeah, let me know if you guys like these hair tutorial videos and you want me to do more of them. I'm not really that good at hair, but I have some, you know, tips and tricks along the way. So if you guys want to see more hair tutorials, give this video a thumbs up. I will link other hair tutorials down below in the description box if you guys are interested in watching more hair videos from me. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you're not already, and make sure that you have your post notifications turned on. That way you will be notified every single time I upload a video here on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. And remember to never stop dreaming. Bye guys!